One day, something strange happened in the treehouse. The rhymes didn't rhyme. The words felt heavy, jumbled. Something was missing. Their voices, instead of blending harmoniously, clashed and faltered. The words didn't rhyme. They felt heavy, distorted, as if the essence of sound itself was lost.
Why words feel weird?
The ancient sounds of Hampi were calling. A puzzle lost in time. Only syllables could bring the music back. Only by unlocking the secret of syllables could the music of Hampi return. The portal shimmered like a mirage, opening a passage to the ancient land of Hampi. Welcome to Hampi. Over 500 years ago, kings built temples that could sing. Each pillar had a tone. Each word had a rhythm. Imagine standing where time itself hums in harmony. But now the soundstones are silent. The soundstones, once alive with rhythm, remain dormant. With determination, the children stepped forward, ready to awaken the ancient magic. Dhruv was first. His voice rang clear.
Ha, noob man.
Hampi.
Temple.
Chariot.
Sparks of light danced as the word was unlocked.
India.
Each word they clapped resonated with power, a secret rhythm hidden within. A resonant drumbeat reverberated, guiding the way. With the final word spoken and clapped, a radiant golden light unfurled, opening the portal. The children's eyes widened in wonder as the ancient language of rhythm returned to life. The portal opened, revealing a world where sound and history unite. Together, they had rediscovered the ancient secret, that syllables were more than just sounds. They were the heartbeat of history. Every word has beats. Every beat tells a story. The kings of Hampi didn't just build stone. They built sound, rhythm, language. And now, it is your turn to awaken the music within words.